Most people who meditate never experience its full potential. They sit quietly, close their eyes, but remain stuck at the surface. What if I told you there's a powerful meditation technique, one recommended by spiritual masters like Sadhguru, that doesn't just quiet your mind, but literally transforms your entire energy system? This technique is called Kriya Yoga. And if you're serious about meditation, today you'll learn exactly why it's considered the most powerful meditation practice ever discovered, and exactly how to do it yourself. So let's get right into it. Kriya Yoga isn't just another form of meditation. It's a complete energetic process, carefully designed thousands of years ago by ancient Indian yogis, passed down through generations, and popularized today by renowned spiritual teachers like Sadhguru. The word Kriya means internal action. Unlike regular meditation, where you simply observe your mind, Kriya Yoga actively shifts your internal energy, clearing blockages, aligning your chakras, and allowing spiritual growth to happen rapidly and naturally. Sadhguru explains Kriya Yoga as an inner engineering process that reorganizes your internal energies, dramatically speeding up your spiritual development. It's not magic, it's methodical, and it can change your life profoundly. So why exactly is Kriya Yoga considered the most powerful meditation practice? Firstly, because it works directly on your energy channels, or what yogis call nadis. Your body contains thousands of subtle energy pathways. Kriya Yoga clears and aligns these pathways, allowing energy to flow effortlessly, enhancing clarity, intuition, creativity, and emotional stability. Secondly, it directly influences your chakras. Chakras aren't just spiritual metaphors. They're powerful energy centers that control every aspect of your physical, mental, and spiritual health. Kriya Yoga systematically balances these centers, removing energetic obstacles that have held you back for years. Thirdly, Kriya Yoga produces measurable changes in your brain waves and biochemistry, bringing your mind quickly into deep states of meditation, states that might normally take years of regular meditation to reach. Sadhguru emphasizes this repeatedly, saying, Kriya Yoga accelerates your inner evolution in ways ordinary meditation cannot. Now that you understand why Kriya Yoga is so powerful, let's explore exactly how to practice it step by step. Step 1. Prepare your space and body. Sit in a comfortable but stable position, ideally cross-legged. If that's uncomfortable, simply sit upright in a chair with your back straight. Keep your spine relaxed but erect. This alignment is essential for energy flow. Step 2. Regulate your breathing, pranayama. Kriya Yoga begins with controlled breathing exercises. Take slow, gentle breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale gently. Allow your breathing to become rhythmic, natural, and calm. Now, let's practice the first simple Kriya breath. Inhale slowly, visualizing pure energy or white light entering your body. Exhale slowly, releasing tension, negativity, and blockages. Repeat this breathing pattern for 3 to 5 minutes, feeling calmer with each cycle. Step 3. Mental chant, mantra. Next, integrate a mantra. A powerful mantra recommended by Sadhguru and many yogis is Om or Soham. As you inhale, silently chant so. As you exhale, silently chant hum. This mantra harmonizes your internal vibration, bringing you deeper inward. Step 4. Focus on energy centers, chakras. Now move your attention through your main chakras, starting from the base of your spine, slowly moving upwards. Root chakra, stability and grounding. Sacral chakra, creativity and emotion. Solar plexus chakra, personal power. Heart chakra, love and compassion. Throat chakra, communication. Third eye chakra, intuition. Crown chakra, connection to higher consciousness. Spend about 1 minute on each chakra, visualizing them glowing brighter and becoming more balanced. Step 5. Deep silence and presence. Finally, after activating your chakras, simply sit in stillness for a few minutes. Feel your body vibrate gently. No thinking, no expectation, just pure awareness. This silence is where Kriya Yoga truly transforms you, opening the doors of perception and deepening your spiritual insight. If you practice this technique daily, even for just 10 minutes, you'll begin noticing powerful shifts quickly. You'll experience dramatic improvements in clarity and concentration, significantly reduced anxiety and emotional turbulence, greater intuition and insight, an inner calmness that lasts throughout your day, profound moments of spiritual awakening. Sadhguru often says, Kriya Yoga is not about belief, it's about direct experience. It's not a theory, it's a method. Do it consistently, and you will experience the benefits firsthand. To start your Kriya practice today, keep it simple. Set aside a specific time each morning or evening. Make it a sacred habit. You don't have to meditate perfectly, you just have to show up consistently. Don't worry if your mind wanders. That's normal. Just gently return your attention to your breath, mantra, and energy centers. Over time, you'll naturally deepen your practice, feeling drawn to meditate longer and more deeply. Trust the process. Remember, Kriya Yoga is more than just meditation. It's the most direct path to your deepest potential. It's an ancient key that unlocks doors ordinary meditation often leaves closed. As Sadhguru beautifully puts it, Kriya Yoga is not just something you do, it's a state you become. Start now. Start today. Because meditation isn't just about sitting still, it's about becoming who you truly are. And with Kriya Yoga, you're not just becoming calm, you're becoming unstoppable. Namaste.